Me no want nobody to come tell me about bumbuckler buy house before bees. You what kind of fuck with that? House can bumbuckler skate on the toll. House can drift. House can put in gap. You know tell me no fuck with man. What the fuck do you man? House can go capes, you go buy girl things. No tell me fuck with man.
From the city caption, viewers don't know what we are going to talk about. The original caption says Jaden got kicked out by his woman, but my caption says Fish Tucker, Jaden got kicked out by his woman. You see me? And basically, viewers, when we watch that video just look like a whole prank video. You see me? This look like it's a planting. You see what I say? Because if a woman kick you out, you see me, why would you want the whole world to know? Why you would keep and stay up on life same way? Tell the woman dash water in your face. Take back all the keys to the Mark X. You see me? I would even know say a woman buy Mark X. But as me I say viewers, this just come like a planting. So I just want to watch a video and just leave your honest opinions in the comment section. You see me? And tell me what's your thoughts on this.
Love is your bad dada, dun dada, bad brother. Them call you back feel like you need dun dada.
And I can defend myself. You're still on my land. I can defend myself. So give me back my shit now.
Which part of there?
The Portmore side.
Which part of Portmore there?
Marco said.
You have no money for you?
No money for me. Me can't get a bag. Me can't get a bag. Please.
What bag? Did you come with a bag, Jaden?
Huh?
Did you come with a bag? You're going just the way I fucking pick you up on the streets. What kind of bag you want? You ain't getting shit from me. This is how you came, so this is how you're fucking leaving. What do you mean you want a bag?
What's about to put the clothes? I mean,
You can
can't go look up on the street, brother.
Jaden, you've looked worse. You've looked worse, okay? Take your shit. Hold it. Throw it away. I don't care. This is Nike. What do we say? You don't need Nike. You don't wear Nike. Somebody bought it for you. Throw away this. Throw away this shit. You don't care about this shit, right? Go. Don't call me. Jaden, leave from out of here now.
Where there?
Take your phone from here.
Fuck that.
Take your phone from here, Jaden. I will put water in your face again. Take the phone from here. Take
Jaden, they can't help Jaden, please.
phone. Take the phone.
Mama, you go on,
Help him to me. Italian. Him wanna deal with him my way, I not like it. Moya come help him for me, please. Me there me yard, me that make you come pick him up and see if we can get him now a hotel room or something. You can't call him because they pan live and shot. You just throw him clothes and throw water upon him and the things them. More him there and naggos there if you can't. You have him number? Yeah, now where the girl leave him there. More you pick him up and put him in our hotel room for the night. If you even pay fit me, give back the money, you can't circle me for the money, you go try it and give back. Make you put him in our hotel room. Go on.
Rosalie, who that?
Italian, come out of yard now. Come out of yard. Come out of yard. Come out of yard now. Come out of yard. Come out of yard. Go stand up where somewhere you can get look a light. Yeah?
Jaden, hello. Don't leave it up your shit.
It's her car. It's her car. Listen to me, I said, no, stand up. Listen to me, I said, no. Move from this, I stand up on the light post. Me I try say me can get Italian tripper. Him say me edit something. Me I try say me can call him. If you go pick him up from where him then know. Yeah. I'm Jaden. No tax no the way. No tax no the way there.
Taxi. No taxi. Italian know me live, you know. Italian know me live.
Him know where the girl live. Hold on.
Yeah, Italian know me live. Italian know me live.
Italian know where the girl live.
Yeah. Italian know me live.
Alright, may I call her back, babes.